I'm RG Skadberg, attorney with CCSK Law. One of the things that is, I guess, confounding from my perspective, and if I'm confused by it, I can't imagine what clients think, the word estate planning, or the words estate planning, the concept of estate planning. Estate planning is a term that people have heard, but it doesn't define itself. It is an ambiguous term used by lots of different industries. But in the world of legal, it has, on the attorney side of the conversation, some very specific meanings. The challenge is, I think, from the perspective of the client, who knows if they have an estate? Before I really became an attorney and delved deeper into this, I thought of the J.R. Ewings of the world having an estate. You know, the big ranch there in the Dallas with the cows and the oil and massive amounts of property in Texas. That's an estate. Watching now Yellowstone, I guess, which is a newer version of that, these thousands and thousands of acres, that's an estate. In reality, most people have some semblance of an estate. But from my perspective, you also have family. You have a life that you want to live. You have a life that you want to provide for your family. And so when we talk about estate planning, it's less about the estate and more about your life and those people that you want to take care of, hence the term life planning. So your estate would probably be the property, the things in your life, cars, houses, if you have extra land, maybe you have a farm, maybe you have a business, bank accounts, stocks, all those different things would make up legally your estate. When we sit down to talk about planning, though, we look at it more from your life. Those are just the things. You know, we look at it from the perspective of who you want to provide for. Who in your life do you say, I want to make sure these things are available to take care of the people that I actually care about? More often than not, we care about people more than the things. The things are nice, but we want to make sure that the things are in the right order and that we have a plan, as we term it, a life plan, to take care of people in different stages of our lives. The things will fill in the gaps to provide income or resources, a place to live, money for college, whatever those things might be. So it's a combination of taking these things, putting a plan in place to be there for the rest of our lives. Thanks for visiting. I hope you found this information helpful. If you'd like to talk about your circumstances, please visit our website, ccsklaw.com, or give us a call, 219-230-3600.